Hello, welcome to Tech and Carry, the channel that provides technical solutions from the most basic to the most complex. And today I'll be upgrading my VMware Workstation. But before I do that, I will take a system restore. The system restore will give me some peace of mind. Just in case the upgrade doesn't go the way I want it to, I could always revert back to my current state. Following the upgrade of VMware Workstation, there is one step that remains, and this is the one of the important steps. Each of the VMs in your lineup is now running VMware tools that are older than the new version that is installed. And you will get a message like this one at the bottom. The installed version of VMware tools is not up to date. Log into the guest operating system and update tools. But for some operating systems, for example Linux, there is no way to log into the operating system. So the only way to install these tools is from the command prompt, which I will show you right now. The system that I've logged into, it's part of the Cisco phone system. And what I will be doing now, I will be showing you a few commands of how I will be updating the tools. Okay, utils VMware tools refresh. We'll initiate the one thing I forgot. Upgrade tools. Okay, I'll run that command again. Okay, I will hit Y for yes. Okay, VMware Tools is installed, and now the reboot is occurring. Once the system is back up and running, I will run the utils OS secure enforce, which enforces any changes and prevents actually changes to the system. The opposite was what I ran earlier, which was utils OS secure permissive. And this allows you to make any changes to the CLI through the CLI. Just logged in, waiting for the system to start up, and then I'll run that command to enforce the settings. VMware tools were installed successfully. One way to tell is now it says reinstall. Successful. Now Cisco CUCM presence is running in secure mode. Very little changes can be made in the CLI. Hello, today I'll be here to talk about what most people forget to do in VMware Workstation after they build a VM. By default, VMware Workstation uses the E100 network card, which is an emulated network card, and it uses tons of resources from the host. And the card that replaced that is the VMX Net3 driver, which is a power virtualized driver for performance. This adapter runs at 10 gigs. The other adapter, the E100, only runs at 1 gig. But this VMX Net3 driver uses less CPU overhead compared to the E100 and is more stable. So now I'll show you, after building a VM, where you go and make that change. So we open up VMware Workstation. This is the VM I just built. You right click, you go to Open VMware Directory, and then you look for the suffix, which is .vmx. You right click, Open with, Notepad, and edit, then find. And it's already there, but you're typing Ethernet. And then you search, and you go down a bit, and right where it says Ethernet 0.virtualdev equals E100, you'll make that change to VMX Net 3. And then you'll save that. Net 3. Close that, and we'll start up the VM. Okay, I have a bit like a code in here. Oops. Okay. Now we're going to Device Manager. And as you can see, we now have the VMX Net 3 Ethernet adapter. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was very informative. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for weekly content. And in addition, if there are any topics you'd like me to cover, please comment in the section below.